Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Angela.
And we're Real Fishing Amateurs. Today we're going to go through two kayaks. We just received two Old Town Sportsman Autopilot 136's in the Gray Ghost Limited Edition. We're going to go ahead and unbox this one, and then we'll put the two together and go through both of them on the walkthrough. All right. Both kayaks set up, unboxed, and let's see what the limited edition numbers are. So Angela's is number 119, and mine
What was on there?
is 058. You can kind of see how everything lays out. We'll have more videos on how we're going to accessorize and go over how everything works. I want to send a shout out to Eco Fishing Shop for delivering the kayaks. I know they had some problems with their truck, but they made it happen. So thanks to Jonathan and Caleb down at Eco Fishing Shop. Thanks a lot. All right, more to come. I'll see you all soon.